Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing the IAG Performance PPF or paint protection film on the roll hoops of a 2021 Ford Bronco. Our Bronco came with a scratch on it from the factory, and unfortunately I did this one yesterday. Here's the IAG Performance PPF kit. There's the part number, and included in the kit are the two strips for the roll bars, a squeegee and the instructions. And they're clearly labelled left and right. Of note is this seam. It may look like an air bubble under the PPF, but it's just fine. You need to lift up the soft top to a workable position. It should balance nicely. To help with the install, you need a spray bottle with some soapy water in it and a microfiber towel. You need to clean the area really well just to get rid of any grease or contaminants that may stop the PPF from sticking. Each strip of the PPF is clearly labelled with an L or an R for left and right. It's a good idea to do a test fit of the PPF just to make sure you get it in the right place. When you're ready to install, spray the area with the soapy water solution. Peel the PPF from the backing and then liberally spray it with the soapy water solution. Guide the PPF through the back of the frame and stick it onto the roll bar. You'll notice the soapy water allows you to move it around. This helps you get it into the right position. With the included squeegee, you can now start to push the air bubbles out from behind the protective film. Take your time and you'll get it right. Using a heat gun or a hairdryer really helps to get those last air bubbles out. The PPF is barely even noticeable once applied. And now it's time to repeat the process on the other side. Again, you need to clean the area thoroughly. You only have one strip left, but it is clearly labelled. Spray the area with the soap and water solution. Release the film from the backing sheet and liberally spray it with the soapy water mix. Guide the film behind the soft top frame and position it like you did the last one. Smooth out the air bubbles and make sure you get a good firm adhesion with the PPF on the roll bar. You can lower the soft top to get better access to the rear portion of the roll bar. With a little bit of patience, you should be able to get rid of all the air bubbles underneath the film. The film is very forgiving, and heat really makes it a lot easier to get rid of the last few air bubbles. you should end up with a nice smooth finish with no air bubbles underneath. So there you have it, really easy install. Give us a like, maybe subscribe, and until next time.